Well, Boston Centers for Youth and Families is a network of 35 community centers in every neighborhood in the city of Boston. And really the mission for the organization is to ensure that human services are available to residents of all ages. So while we may have a primary focus on early childhood or school age, we also serve adults and families and seniors. And so ensuring that the connections that we make and the services that we deliver are those that happen through the vehicle, which is our BCYF community centers.
nFocus Solutions serves over 4,500 nonprofit clients throughout the United States and Canada. In order to do that more effectively, we've partnered with the Search Institute to be able to define at the survey level individual needs of children and be able to look at the context of those children and how they're faring in the areas that are most critical to them: school, community, personal relationships, etc. The relationship that we formed with Search Institute gives you access to the Developmental Asset Profile for each of the children you serve, so you can ensure that you understand their needs and are able to deliver programming that meets those needs.
The Developmental Assets Profile is a survey instrument that's been developed over about the last decade, and it measures attitudes and behaviors that students, young people, demonstrate in 8 key areas that we know correlate with success not just in school, but outside of school and ultimately as adults.
The data derived from the DAP allows our clients to understand the needs of the children they're serving and then provide programming that meets those needs.
You know, the reason I'm excited about this partnership with nFocus Solutions is that what it does, it actually provides frontline organizations that are working with kids with a very, very efficient, cost-effective, and high-impact way to give students this research-based survey instrument, get the data, and then get really high-quality, rich reporting that helps them make decisions based upon the data, and also work directly with young people on their assets.
Going from pen to paper to using a technology-based tool, this is something that also allows us to really, I think, raise the bar when it comes to access to technology, having our young people really use the technology that exists in our community centers and see that as a tool for feedback, not just your traditional survey. So I think, if anything, it will allow ease of use for our staff and our members, but it's really going to be flexible for our families and not necessarily has to keep us tied to one particular neighborhood or community center.